My name's Mark Durrand. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Totally Money. Totally Money is a consumer fintech business. Our aim is to help customers to understand their financial situation and to improve it. One of the primary ways we do that is we provide customers with access to their credit score and credit report for free. The data is central to our business, and it always has been. The business has been around in one form or another for over 10 years. It's always been a data-driven business, and that goes right the way through the business, from product decisions that we make, our customer support team who are helping customers with issues they may have using our product, to our marketing team, to our commercial team. Every department within our business relies on data. Data is used by everyone at Totally Money. We didn't have an immediate business problem, but at the same time, we could see that our previous solution was beginning to creak in some places. An example of that would be we were having problems with the number of connections that we could sustain, and that was as a result of rolling out Looker about 18 months ago, which was very successful. It meant that a lot more people were using the data warehouse, were actively hitting it, and that data warehouse was beginning to feel the strain, I think. As the business has now become larger still and more sophisticated, we were beginning to hit the limitations. We chose Snowflake. I'd been aware of it for a little while, just from reading, online. I attended a meetup, talking to ex-colleagues and friends. I'd been aware that some of them were investigating or using Snowflake. I'd also heard of some significant companies that were adopting Snowflake, and particularly when we adopted Looker, we talked to them, and I think that Looker-Snowflake combination seemed to be a common one in the market. We'd heard about Deliveroo, for example, which is quite a famous example, and so it felt like it could be a good fit. We're looking for the thing that can serve us for the next 5 years, I think, and we feel that that is Snowflake. People can have confidence that when they come in on a Monday morning, their reports are there. Second thing is speed. And that's very tangible for a lot of people in the business. So now things are a lot faster than they used to be and work more quickly, which allows people to run reports perhaps that they may have not bothered to run before because they took too long or something. Certainly within our team, the thing that I feel particularly is that we have freed up a lot of maintenance time that we used to babysit our previous warehouse a lot, just to keep it running and make sure everything was okay. And we have not had to do so much of that. And part of that's because we've avoided some of the mistakes that we made first time round, but part of it is definitely down to the architecture and the power of Snowflake. We are not dealing with a product that is having reliability problems. That's the number one thing for me. It's fast, it's scalable, we don't have to worry about any of those things. We don't have to worry about data not being available. So I think all of those things then free up our team in particular to think about building new valuable things within the business as opposed to just maintaining the things that you have. So that's the biggest change for me.